Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel your DreamHost domain auto renewal and basically how to delete it. So first of all, you want to go ahead to your DreamHost on the left side here and click on billing an account and manage account. Now once you are here, you can go ahead and scroll down until you see your active plans, and after that you see domain registrations. So this is your DreamHost domain. You see when it expires, and basically you can manage registrations here. So click on that. And now you can see that you can manage your domain registration. And as you can see, I already did cancel the auto renew. So you can click that you don't want auto renew, and once it expires, it will no longer be here. So that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.